Today, we are going to show you how to purchase a company CTOS Lite Report and an individual CTOS Lite Report. First of all, to purchase company CTOS Lite Report, you may search a company by key in their company name or business registration number. Then, click on Search button for the subject you're looking for. Now, tick on CTOS Lite Report. Then, select the SSM source date. You may choose to pull the report in our CTOS archive database or real-time live SSM with extra chargeable add-on. At the same time, you may purchase CTOS Lite reports of the directors or shareholders that you wish to check on their CTOS Lite status. Then, go to the right-hand side and you will see a selection summary showing the total number of reports that you're going to purchase. Now, you may click on Confirm button to proceed for the Lite Report purchase. When there is a notification of transaction completed prompt out, and show you that the report have been successfully pulled. Click on the Continue button and the system will bring you to the next step. Now, go to the CTOS Lite Report column to view your reports. You may click on the report date and time of the subject referring to view the specific report. Here we will show you the CTOS Lite Report for your review. To know how to read a company or individual CTOS Lite Report, please refer to the respective video guide. Thank you for watching.